kasi international ang release nito. Kaya I'm super excited na to see the commercial. Mas kakaibang role ang gagampanan ko dito. So, tara, let's do this!
Today we're shooting StarTech TVC wherein si Sarah Geronimo yung lead talent. We're shooting 2 boards. Yung unang board, yun yung entitled, yung Project Zap, kung saan zinazap niya yung mga malalaking buildings, malalaking puno. Yung buong paligid, kinaliliit niya. Yung world, pinaliit niya. Meaning, parang pinaliit na niya yung mundo because of communication. Parang yun yung essence ng board 1.
Basically, ang set namin all chroma lang. Pero gumawa rin kami ng mga live na bagay, katulad ng mound ng bundok, kayong platform ng mga lupa na parang nasa disyerto ang tema. Sa ngayon, di mo makita yung pinaka-set niya kasi puro chroma nga. Pero pagdating sa post, tsaka nila i-compose yung mga elements para pag lumabas yung TVC, para talaga sa desert yung
Para dun sa Zap, ito yun. Kasi ito yung preference ng client. All her clothes are figure flattering.
Excited. Parang hindi na ako excited. Pati lang naman kasi ko. Natatense ako galit sa data.
Actually, I've been working with Sarah for 5 years already, and I've directed several music videos and commercials for Sarah Geronimo. StarTech, this is our 3rd year in doing StarTech, a commercial for the US.
It was my 2nd time working with Sarah. Every time I see her, palagi siya yung unang bumabate. Kasi ako mahihayin ako So parang iniisip ko, if I make bate sa isang personality, second doubt is baka hindi ako pansinin. Pero si Sarah, very friendly siya, very accommodating. Siya palagi nag-say, "Hi, kamusta po?" Palagi hindi nawawala yun po, and that's very nice.
Sarah, my expectations are always like that for Sarah, and she's always here.
StarTech is one of the most prominent international long-distance provider in America, serving different ethnic groups like Filipino communities, and we found her to be very well respected among Filipinos, and that's why we found linkage between her personality and our service, which is trusted by millions for many years.
Yes, ito po, nakadalawa na kaming frames sa isang storyboard. Yeah, so may 8 pa na frames, tapos another naman po, storyboard. So okay to, mabilis at saka masayang gawin.
Susunod naman, yung action part, gagawin namin yung Mythbuster. Yun ang board naman na yun, medyo actionan yun. It's a war picture, hindi. Action. So, patatamblingin namin si Sarah, pasasabugan namin siya, may blasting, may explosions, may apoy, patatakbuhin namin, somersault, the works.
So, ayun po, tapos na kami sa first storyboard po namin. They call it Zap. Tapos, ito na, move on na. ito naman yung Myth. Ayan, yun yung pangalan naman ng next storyboard. So, ayun. Ito ay mas yata to, mas taxing dahil may mga stunts. Oh, pero hindi yata ako ang gagawa ng stunts. So, ganda-gandahan lang. Smooth naman ang flow ng shoot at sana matapos po namin na maaga. Yun.
It's always a fun shoot between Sarah and I. Always, parang it's never work when we do our shoots. Kasi lagi siyang excited, laging masaya. Though she matured, as she grows older, it's a mystery. We discover something really, really different in her. It's like the Sarah magic. I can't describe it eh. So, when you see her, she creates this aura na parang kakaiba.
Ano pong tawag sa bolero?
It's a space age bolero, as in keeping with the theme of your shoot. Tapos it has a bold shoulders. Naka-forecast kasi sa Balman, so we just copied that or were inspired by that. Ayan. And
Very nice. Oo. Ganda. Paano pang concert?
Kahit malaki siyang setup, safe naman for Sarah kasi separate yung mga actual explosion. Nag-improve siya sa acting skills. Mas mabilis siya mag-pick up. Tapos si Sarah yung masasabi mong talent na kahit Sarah na siya, masasabi mo na down to earth pa rin.
Opo, hindi ako nahihirapan kasi hindi ako yung gumawa ng mga stunts. So, madali lang yung shoot today. Oh. Thank you kay Direk Paul. Pinagaan niya ang katrabaho today. Yes! We're so happy na ito nga, we're done na with our shoot. At madali naming natapos, madali lang gawin. Ang galing ni Direk Paul. Yes!